Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to stake your MTV coins. Okay, on the last video I showed you how to withdraw from KuCoin to your MetaMask wallet your MTV coins. Now is how to stake. Get to mtv.ac, which is the official website of MultiVAC, and then click on staking. And now we are on this page here. So first, here is the annual return, which is 20%. It was higher when it just started because the more people get in and stake their coins, the lower the APR gets. But whenever you get in, you'll get locked in with the APR. Okay, so if you got in now, you'll keep earning this much. All right, but there is more, which is an extra 5%. So when they will hit the goal of 3 billion staked on their pool, you'll get an extra 5%. Okay, so in here you can see from their first goals, which is 50 million. So people that got in here for 50 million got staked, they got 5% when they got 50, and it goes and this adds up. All right, now here for people that want to get in, they will get in with this APR plus this. When it hits 3 billion you get 5% extra. All right, so now how to stake. All right, there is two ways, either by copying this address here and just go to your MetaMask wallet. Make sure you're on the wallet that you're holding your MTV at. So in my case, I showed you in the last video, I didn't go through with it because for me 500 MTVs as fees are too high for me. All right, and yeah, so make sure you are in the network that you are holding MTV at. So in this case I'm going to say Smart Chain because it has the lowest fees. But if you are on Ethereum, just go to networks and head to Ethereum and go to MTV. It will work the same if you are on Ethereum network or Binance Smart Chain, and click on the token and click send. Paste the address that we copied here and choose MTV, of course, and the amount of the MTV that you want to stake. You can click on max to use the maximum that you have on your wallet, and these here you don't have to touch them because they are the gas fees, and click next. All right, and the second way is by connecting MetaMask directly to the website, and you get to do it in here. So again, you have to make sure you are using the network that you are holding your MTV at. In this case, let's say Smart Chain, Binance Smart Chain as well, and this is MTV that I have. Let's pretend that I have a lot of MTV. All right, click connect MetaMask and choose the account and click next, click connect, and here you are. All right, here is how to stake. Just put in the amount that you have or click max and it will use the maximum of MTVs that you have in your wallet, and click go staking. MetaMask will pop up to confirm the transaction, the same as I did before, and click next and confirm, and it will start staking. So you want to make sure that it went through. All right, so you need to scroll down to this list here. It shows the rank and the address and the staked and the balance. All right, so this here is where you will find your address and the amount that you've staked. All right, it will take from 24 hours to 48 hours. All right, and go to the end of this list by clicking the last number here and check the number that is staked. So let's say that you staked 20,000 MTVs, so you need to keep going like this till you get into that number. All right, then you have to compare your address in the list so you can make sure that you have staked successfully. All right, so in this case here we're still on zeros, so let's say 400 if you want to make it easier to get to the staked number that you are looking for. So 400 and click enter, and we are still in hundreds, so we need to get to thousands. So let's do 300, and now we are on 25,000 staked. So let's say that you have staked 25,000 and 519. Okay, so it will be easier for you to spot it in here. All right, and here it is. Then compare this address to the address that you have staked with using MetaMask, which is this one. Okay, copy it and see if it's the same, and that shows that you have staked with no problems. All right, so now let's head back and let's talk about how to unstake. So you can now unstake right now if you haven't reached this goal. Okay, so let's say that people that have staked before 50 million, the moment that they hit this goal of 50 million staked, they got the ability to unstake. All right, so let's say that people that got after 50 million staked, they cannot unstake until they hit another goal, which is 200. After that they can unstake. All right, so the same goes for each goal, and now it applies on this here. Okay, so now you are on 2 billion staked. You need to wait until the goal of 3 billion staked is reached, then you can unstake. And how you can do that is just again by connecting your MetaMask, the same as I did at the beginning, and you'll see that it's staked in here. It's 0 here. You'll see the amount that is staked right here, and you can choose the amount that you want to withdraw and unstake. Okay, it can be an amount that you want or the maximum that you have staked, and click withdraw. All right, so how you can see your earnings. So head to your MetaMask. If you are on Binance Smart Chain, you will not be able to see your earnings because the earnings are daily. You'll be getting daily interest and you get to see it on your MetaMask, but in here you can't see it. Why? Because you are on Binance Smart Chain. So what you need to do is head to here, MultiVAC mainnet. How to get this one? If you don't have it, just check my YouTube channel. You'll find the link of how to add MultiVAC mainnet to your MetaMask wallet. Okay, then click on it, and here is MTV, and you'll see your rewards. Okay, and then you can again connect to here if you want to stake again using the rewards that you've got. All right, so as you can see, it has disconnected from the MetaMask wallet because I have changed the network. I was in Binance Smart Chain and now I'm on MultiVAC, and they have to connect again, and here you are, and you can again stake the rewards if you want to. Okay, so this is the video. I hope it was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and thank you for watching.